we messed up?
I don't know. Alright, let's not throw things. Hi, I'm Andrew,
And I'm Dora.
and we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way.
Boop, boop. We're coming to Amazon Fresh to experience the new market here.
I'm not sure what to expect. I wonder if it's just going to be another like 40 minutes.
Yeah, I think what's interesting is that I think they have a self-checkout cart. So we're gonna see what that looks like. Let's go. So this is the fancy self-checkout cart.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I mean, what is it?
This is self-checkout card. You want to try it?
Sure.
Yeah, I think we're gonna want to
Yeah.
use that.
So for this, you have to log into your phone in your Amazon shopping app.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you go in store code? Yes. Yes. Code. Yep.
Oh. New store code.
In-store code.
Okay.
Say okay. Yeah. Make sure this is your payment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show that code here. So you are in. So I'm showing the demo. So here are the 4 scanners.
Okay.
So try to show barcode there, like this. If you scan it, it will come to you.
Oh, okay.
And if we don't want it.
Yeah. If you don't want, you just take it out. It will go from your receipt.
Also, if you
Oh,
scan
fun.
twice, it'll delete it. Okay.
And for produce, you have to enter PLU.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, PLU.
okay.
So,
So
it will automatically start with weight the item.
Okay. Got it.
And you can do all the shopping. You cannot do alcohol. No alcohol.
No alcohol.
No alcohol.
And
Okay.
at the end, you don't see cashier. You just walk to this place and you will be checked out.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Just
this
walk
way.
through here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this card.
Got it.
Just enter
Okay.
the shopping.
Got
Okay.
it. Thank you. It's kind of interesting.
That's so intuitive. But then, also they also have cashiers, so you don't need to use the cart.
Right.
You can also do a regular people shopping without Amazon in-store self-checkout thing. 89 cents baguette. I lost Andrew, self-checkout guy. Find Andrew. There he is. Okay. So we're just gonna, we could just put it in. Oh.
So I noticed this actually doesn't have like the child seat, so it's not as, I guess, kid friendly. But this is pretty cool because like right now it shows that I'm in like the produce section, and it recommend like things that are around me. Right here, I have the avocados, which is right here. This is actually really intuitive. This card is very easy to push too. So linking your account is actually pretty cool because you can have like your Alexa list. So you have like a shopping list, you add it to the Alexa if you have an Alexa device. And then when linking it, I guess it just shows you what you need to buy or, but I don't have any, so no coupons, no. It shows you deals where you kind of are, like the aisle you're in or nearby. So I feel like this interface is actually pretty user friendly actually.
This is super, super tall. I can't reach it.
Wow, that is not very friendly, user friendly. Grab one. We could grab this. So there's the PLU.
PLU
4552. So then put it in. If you were to put it in, it wouldn't recognize it. Add PLU item. Enter PLU manually. 4552. Enter.
Oh, I know.
Okay, now you place it. Oh, there you go.
£3, $4.47.
Do we want it?
Yes, we want it.
So we accept it, and it's added.
Yay!
Okay, so there's like a weight to it too.
I think what's nice is then you know how much you've purchased so far.
Yeah, right now.
Which is nice.
This is pretty cool.
Alexa, where is milk?
Find milk at dairy coolers at the back of the store.
Oh, so it knows the store. That's pretty awesome.
Alexa, where's yogurt?
You can find yogurt at dairy coolers at the back of the store.
I find it so interesting that they actually have like the reviews, like the star reviews. I'm guessing from like the Amazon review, which is pretty funny.
I want this. Have to begin. You messed up.
I don't know. Alright, let's not throw things.
We always get this pasta sauce, but you can see pretty pricey here. We always get it from Costco. Avocado oil we always got from Costco as well. It's just a lot more pricier outside of Costco.
Yeah, $12.99
They would
or
give it
16 ounce. I don't.
They
Yeah,
would give like a giant bottle from
That's like a
Costco
30
for like $8.
like $9. Yeah, Costco's definitely much more of a deal.
See a lot of 365 branded things here. I guess because Amazon owns Whole Foods, they can sell. 365 is pretty great. A lot of things that we buy we preferred organic or non-processed, so give us a lot more choices.
Belgian boys.
As we walk around, we noticed there were a lot of employees that push around those carts to put together for orders that people ordered online. Seems like a very useful feature.
So they actually have a hot bar section here too. And it actually smells fantastic. That fried chicken looks pretty crispy. Orange chicken. Salt and vinegar chicken wings. That's pretty good. Rotisserie chicken as well. And like a deli section too. Probably have to get something. Oh, arancini. The rice balls.
they also have a kind of eating area. There are coffee, bakery, and then there's pizza where you can kind of buy here and eat here. Pizza's already $1.79 per slice. And it looks pretty promising. Also deli. Pretty wide selection here. Already kind of like a more smart Whole Foods. You can have pasta, vegetables, or kale, arugula. Here are the boxes you can use to put your own salad here. Here also have olive bars, and then I think I'm gonna get some olives here today. This is pretty good. Is very cheap at the small size. I think it's pretty big. And I get the $1 Hopefully it's good.
When we finished our shopping and we got everything, we headed through the dash cart lane, grabbed our bags, and just walked out.
Shop at Amazon Fresh. Complete.
After we walked out, I got a notification on my phone with my receipt and our purchases. It was pretty accurate. So even though the dash cart is cool, futuristic, and fun, there are some flaws. Like the cart system, it can be faulty at times. You just gotta be aware because there were times where we would pick up items or place items and it picked up our sleeves and it just wasn't recognizable.
You also don't want to rush things because if you put things too fast or if the barcode is not visible, the cart wouldn't recognize the item. And once there's an error, recalibration may take a few minutes, so be patient.
Another flaw is that this cart is not great for kids. There's no seating for them, and with all the technology inside this cart, it's probably not a good idea to put a child in the cart.
And the cart size is kind of limited to smaller item shoppings. The cart size is much smaller than your average shopping cart, so you can't really buy a large item.
And then last, you can't bring this cart to your car. So if you're buying bigger or heavier items, you'll actually have to carry it to your car yourself. As of now, at this location, the Dash Cart is only used indoors. This Amazon Fresh location is located in Warrington, Pennsylvania, which is about a 2-hour drive from New York City. There are other locations around the US, so definitely check out their website to see if there's one near you. We had an absolute blast playing around with this Dash Cart and hope that we can visit again. Or hopefully Amazon opens one closer to us.
Let us know in the comments below what you thought of this Amazon Fresh experience. If you like our video today, please hit that thumb up button, share, and be sure to subscribe. We release videos every Thursday. See you next week. Bye!
Peace out, Cub Scout!